In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Jotform and get started with creating your own forms. Whether you're looking to design a simple contact form for your website or a more complex survey, Jotform is a fantastic tool that caters to all your form building needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once you have that ready, navigate to jotform.com. You'll find yourself on their homepage, which is user-friendly and very welcoming. Right on the top right corner of the page, you'll see the option to sign up. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a new page where you can create your new Jotform account. Here, you'll be presented with a few choices for setting up your account. You can either enter your email address and create a password manually, or you can streamline the process by using your existing Google or Facebook account for sign-in. If you choose to create an account using your email, just ensure that the email you enter is active and accessible, as it will be used for verification purposes and to recover your account in case you forget your login credentials. Create a strong and unique password, one that you haven't used before, to keep your account secure. Alternatively, if you prefer using your Google or Facebook account, you can do so with just a couple of clicks. This method is convenient and also saves you from having to remember another set of login details. Once you've chosen your preferred method, you're almost there. The next step is crucial. You might receive an email from Jotform asking you to confirm your email address. This is a standard procedure to ensure that you've provided a correct and working email, so hop into your inbox, find the email, and click the confirmation link provided. This step is necessary to verify your account and unlock all the features Jotform has to offer. Once you've confirmed your email, you're all set to start creating forms. Go back to your Jotform page and you'll notice that you're logged in. Here you can immediately begin exploring the platform. Jotform offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to start creating your first form. Whether you need to build something from scratch or use one of their many templates, the setup is intuitive and flexible. Remember, take your time to experiment with different layouts and fields to best suit the information you want to gather from your audience. And that's it. You're now ready to harness the power of Jotform for your form building projects. Happy form creating!